Save my baby from choking. Life-saving tips every parent should know. Hi, welcome back to Dad's Tips and Tricks. Today's episode is a serious yet an important one, and how I save my baby from choking on a piece of chicken and give you life-saving tips to protect your baby too. It can happen to anyone. One minute you're feeding your baby, and the next, you're in a panic. Here's what happened to me. Have you ever seen an infant suddenly straighten their arms while sleeping, like if they're falling? That's their startle reflex, a natural survival instinct. The good news? Babies have similar instincts for choking. I wish I knew this before. However, sometimes infants really do choke. Panicking won't help anyone. You must respond immediately, as you're the only one in the room that watched this episode. Easier said than done, I know, but you need a clear head. After checking her airways, I immediately leaned my baby forward over my arm, supporting their head. Then, I gave them 5 firm back blows between the shoulder blades with the heel of my hand. Giving back blows creates a strong vibration and pressure in the airways, which is often enough to dislodge the blockage in a baby who is choking. Ensure you support their head while holding them in this position. In the upcoming episodes, I will share essential tips on which foods are safe for your infant, which ones to avoid, and other helpful advice. Thanks for watching this special episode of Tips from a Dad. Share this video with other parents. It might just save a life. You've got this.